So we're spending a lot of time this month talking about why businesses should be looking at developing more of a growth mindset culture. Have you ever wondered what the impact actually is on mental health and well-being? Well, this is something at Grey Mindset that we are really passionate about. So I want to share with you some of the evidence that we use in our training, and it also backs up a lot of the theory that we talk about in our accredited training as well. So let me just share my screen so I can show you that. And this is a piece of research that was done back in 2017, and it was of college students. Now, you might be thinking, Gemma, why are you showing me something to do with college students? Because this doesn't apply to me in my workplace, but all will become clear, so bear with me. So like I said, back in 2017, the Stanford University professors set up this piece of research with 6,500 students who were on the campus. So these students are all around the ages of 16, 17, 18. And what they monitored was their levels of depressive symptoms over a period of time. Now, what they did is they initiated a mindset intervention where part of the students were involved in this intervention. They were involved in the intervention for 6 weeks. And this is over a period of an hour a week, where they would find out more about mindset, talk about the development, change the way that they were thinking, along with the support from their teacher. And then the depressive symptoms were monitored as they left those sessions and beyond. Now, just looking at the graph here, the blue line is the mindset intervention group. And as you can see, the depressive symptoms do start to decline as time goes on. Now, if you remember, I did say to you that the intervention actually was only for 6 weeks. So by the time the students got to a 3-month, 6-month, 9-month period, that intervention had gone. Okay, but the lasting impact shows that depressive symptoms continued to decline. We've then got the red group who had no intervention at all and just kind of bubble around about the same level, just showing you that actually with no input, no knowledge of mindset, things stay the same. Okay, now there actually is a slight spike 6 months later, which I don't know what was going on campus around that time, but whatever it was, whether it be exams, whether it be something in the community, those students in the red group, the control group, felt that more than those in the mindset intervention group, who actually handled the same situation in a much more logical and rational fashion. Now, I'm not daft. We can see that the line as we get down towards 9 months does begin to plateau. So here is my point. This was a 6-week intervention. This was students working on their mindset for 6 weeks with the help of an educator. So what if, as a workforce and a workplace and a set of employees and our staff, that we work on mindset with them every single day of their working profession? To me, that screams that it's going to impact their symptoms of mental ill health enormously over a longer, sustained period of time. Now, the other bit of information that I wanted to share with you that Schlieder and Weiss found really fundamental in these results was actually the role of the educator, the teacher, the person that supported them through the intervention. So the way that they behaved with them, the way that they spoke to them, the way that they thought about them, all that behavior, all those actions, all those conversations that were had were deemed to have a massive impact on the results that you can see here. Which brings me to the workplace. That developing mindset, yes, it can be something that you do independently, but just look at the power of developing mindset when you're in a collective, collaborative group where everybody's got your back. So if you're in a workplace where mindset is a struggle, but you are aware of it and you're wanting to develop it as a team, you can carry each other forward, support each other as you make your journey through the understanding and development of mindset, therefore having a massive impact on the workforce as a whole. Now, remember that some people will need longer than others. Some people will need different strategies than others. Some people will need extra support, which is absolutely fine. Everybody's completely different. So it might be that some develop their mindset a lot faster than other members of the team, but that doesn't matter. As long as those messages are continually being drip fed through your business, then the results will come. So a really good tip for you is why you should be developing mindset in your business is to help with mental health and well-being. Enjoy the rest of your day.